Good morning, everyone. My name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you for being here for this quick ACT tutorial. So I had a client ask me what version of ACT are they using, and they are using the cloud version of ACT with an additional sync service. So let me just show you a little bit of information. Over here on the right hand side we have some dots. Those dots have information that I'm going to show you in another video, but if you want to know the version of ACT you have, you can come up and click on question mark. Go down to where it says About ACT, and a box will pop up that will show you the version of ACT you're currently using. Now this is called the ACT web version, February 2023 R1. Now in the past, what I've seen in this box is they give you a version that's a little more like the version you'd see on the desktop software, but they've changed this slightly, so that is the version of ACT you have. Now having stated that, typically, if you have the desktop sync with it, you'd want to check in the desktop software to see which version you have there. Right now it's version 24.1 as of the time of this recording. But that's how you check your version if you have the web-based ACT only, or what's called ACT Premium Cloud. My name is Tony Holowitz. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Thank you very much. Bye now.